Hey RC family, I'm glad you're here today. I've been thinking a lot lately about finding a way to get some first-person view footage from the Bronco here. Why don't we see if we can just make something that'll work and get some footage to see how it looks. Let's get to it over here and see what we can come up with. So here's the TRX4. We got the lid off. What I was thinking, I took this piece of foam, I made a way to hold my phone in here, and I'm gonna use the battery strap to hold this piece of foam down in the center of the truck like that. We're gonna get the battery moved out of the way, and then we're gonna get our little homemade mount in place. So here we got the foam phone holder mount installed. It's just sitting down in the battery tray. I got the battery strap going through the foam. So we're gonna get this set up, hook up the camera, get it all strapped in place, and then we're gonna take her outside, get a little footage. See you in the backyard. So, done testing out our prototype, custom-made camera mount for getting some first-person view shot with the TRX4 Bronco here. Basically what we discovered is the material that we're using here is not going to work. Just a little bit too flexible. And the weight of the camera just slowly compresses the foam until the camera is just pointing down, looking at nothing useful. I think what I will try next is maybe making one out of cardboard, laminating some cardboard together. That will be a little bit sturdier. Here we are with first person view phone mount 2.0. After the foam failed, I decided to take cardboard and laminate around the foam. Here you can see in the picture that I took just thin pieces of cardboard, cut them to shape, and then laminated them together around the styrofoam core. And that's how we ended up with what we've got here. So let's put it together. There. I used extended battery strap to strap it in place in the battery tray. So the camera will sit right here on the inside, facing out. Get the camera in it and take the truck out to the backyard. First person view phone holder. We'll see how this works. Alright guys, we're back at the bench and it's conclusion time. I want to know what you think. Success? Failure? Is it going to work? Do you want to see more footage from inside the truck? You let me know and we'll go from there. But I think it works pretty good. I'm happy. It does exactly what I wanted it to do and it didn't cost me anything. So thanks for being here today and following along on the adventure as we experimented with a first-person view camera mount. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, I really appreciate you being here. Consider subscribing because we have fun like this all the time. We take the trucks out on the trails, on the rocks, in the dirt, having a blast, and I just love sharing it with you. Thanks for watching.